Hello and welcome to our channel where we bring you the latest updates from the world of aviation. Today we're going to delve into an exciting and pivotal topic, the Indian jet engine update. This subject is not just important for the aviation enthusiasts among us, but also for anyone interested in technological advancements and global developments. We'll be discussing the latest developments, announcements from the government and defense, and other aspects related to this development. Now, without further ado, let's dive right into the latest developments. In the rapidly advancing field of aviation, India has been making significant strides. The past few years have seen the country soaring high with major developments in jet engine technology. It's truly an exciting time to be involved in the aviation industry in India. The country's focus on self-reliance has led to significant advancements in indigenous jet engine technology. The Gas Turbine Research Establishment, a lab under the Defense Research and Development Organization, has been at the forefront of these innovations. Their hard work and dedication have led to the development of the Kaveri engine, a high-thrust class power plant designed to propel India's Tejas aircraft. This is a huge leap forward, not just for the country's aviation industry, but for its overall technological prowess. But it doesn't stop there. With an eye on the future, Indian scientists and engineers have been working tirelessly to improve the efficiency of these engines. The goal? To increase the range and payload of aircraft without compromising on speed or power. It's a challenging task, but one that they are tackling head-on. Recent reports suggest that they are making significant progress in this area, with promising results from initial tests. In terms of milestones, one of the most noteworthy achievements in recent times is the successful integration of the Kaveri engine with the Tejas aircraft. This is a monumental step that brings India one step closer to self-reliance in the field of aviation technology. Another significant achievement is the successful test of the small turbofan engine designed for unmanned aerial vehicles. This is a testament to India's growing capabilities in the field of drone technology. These developments are just the beginning. Let's move on to the official announcements made by the government and defense. The Indian government and defense sector have been actively involved in the advancement of jet engine technology. In recent times, significant strides have been made, with the government making noteworthy announcements that promise to elevate the country's aviation landscape. One of the most prominent announcements was the unveiling of the Aerospace and Defense Policy. This policy aims to position India as a global hub for aerospace and defense manufacturing and research and development. It also includes the ambitious plan of developing a homegrown turbofan engine for powering future Indian fighter aircraft. In tandem with this, the Defense Research and Development Organization, or DRDO, has been given a significant funding boost. This increased investment is targeted towards the development of advanced propulsion systems, which will be integral to the success of the indigenous jet engine program. Moreover, the Indian Air Force has announced a strategic partnership with the private sector to expedite the jet engine project. This collaboration is expected to bring in fresh perspectives and innovative solutions, thereby fast-tracking the development process. In addition to these, the government has also introduced new policies to encourage collaborations with international partners. These partnerships are anticipated to provide technological know-how and expertise, further propelling India's jet engine technology to global standards. It's noteworthy to mention that the government's focus is not just on the development of the technology, but also on its sustainable use. In line with global trends, India is also exploring the feasibility of green aviation fuel to reduce the environmental impact of aviation. These announcements pave the way for a brighter future in Indian aviation. Now let's look at other related aspects. In addition to the developments and announcements, there are several other aspects related to the advancement of jet engine technology in India. International collaborations play a significant role in this progress. India's aerospace industry has been working hand-in-hand with global giants like Airbus and Boeing. These alliances not only bring advanced technology to India, but also foster a mutual exchange of knowledge and expertise. Private entities, too, have a key part to play. Their involvement aids in accelerating the pace of development and brings in fresh perspectives. This public-private partnership model is a powerful tool for advancement in any sector, and the jet engine technology sphere is no exception. Let's not forget the impact on the economy and job market. The growth of the jet engine industry has the potential to bolster India's economy significantly. It could lead to the creation of numerous high-skilled jobs, fostering a vibrant and dynamic labor market. These aspects provide a holistic view of the progress in Indian jet engine technology. This brings us to the end of our discussion on the Indian jet engine update. We've explored the latest developments, delved into government and defense announcements, and touched on other aspects integral to this exciting progression in aviation. This is an era of innovation and change, and India is making significant strides in jet engine technology. Thank you for joining us today. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on the latest in aviation. Until next time, keep soaring high.